What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Nick Foy, and today we're going to be talking about time blocking. This is a strategy I've recently implemented over the past several months into my life, and it's helped me gain lots of clarity and build lots of healthy habits and productivity. It's helped me take my business to new levels and helped me take my investing to new levels as well. So financially, I'm coming ahead as a result of time blocking. I also feel more at peace and more balance in my life in other areas like spending time with family, spending time with friends, and doing fun activities to keep stress down and get out there and have some fun in the world. So with that being said, a little bit about time blocking. What is time blocking? So this is where I break down the 24 hours in a day into different blocks, and I have specific activities that I try to schedule within those specific blocks. So for example, if we start at the very top of our day, when it strikes a new day, so when it takes over from Sunday night to Monday morning, 12 a.m., this is the time where I'm going to be sleeping. So from 12 a.m. to about 6 a.m., I have reserved for sleep. I actually start it back at about 10 p.m. at night, 10:30. So I'm getting 7.5 to 8 hours of sleep. All right, so that first time block is sleep. Now at 6 o'clock, I start my day off by breaking it down into 3-hour time blocks. So we're going to go from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. That's one time block. Then we're going to go from 9 a.m. to noon. That's the second time block. Then we go from noon to 3 o'clock in the afternoon at 3 p.m. And then 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., and then 9 p.m. to midnight. So these 3-hour chunks of time also help me not get so stressed out as if I broke it down into 1-hour time blocks. So sometimes when you have 60-minute time blocks, it can seem more hectic because you're sitting there worried like, okay, the clock's ticking, my 60 minutes has started, and we feel like we're going to run out of time and it's not enough time. So by giving myself a 3-hour window and multiplying how many tasks are in that 3-hour window, I feel like I have more time to get everything done, and it makes it less stressed and less rushed as compared to having only a 60-minute window. So that's my strategy for using 3-hour time blocks. Now you can vary it. You can change it up and do 2 hours, 1 hour. You can make them longer, make them 6-hour time blocks, 4 times a day. So from 12 to 6, 6 to 12, then 12 to 6, 6 to 12 again. So there's different ways you can structure your day. So let me get down into the details a little bit more on how I actually divide up different activities and figure out my time blocks. So first what I did was made a list of everything I ideally want to get accomplished within a day. So these are recurring habits, recurring things that I'm going to do on a daily basis. Then I'm going to make a separate list of things I would like to do maybe once a week. So some little checkup items that I'd like to do here and there, but they don't have to be every single day. So once I have these two lists in hand, I can start going through looking at the different tasks, the different habits that I'm trying to build, the different things I'm trying to do each day. And I can start breaking them down by what category they are. If they have to do with business or my job, if they have to do with family time, if they have to do with chores and maintaining a house, cleaning, things like that. So I try to kind of group and categorize things a little bit. And then I start looking at my different time blocks throughout the day. And I try to think about how I want my ideal day to look between what I'm doing and also how I'm weaving and integrating it in with what my family and friends are doing. So, for example, in the morning at 6 a.m. when the alarm clock goes off and I wake up, I try to structure it so that those first 3 hours from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock are for getting little personal growth things done. So when I first wake up, I might do some self-development by listening to a podcast first thing in the morning. I might go get a workout in the morning so I can get feeling better. I might have breakfast, a protein shake. I might pray. I might read some affirmations or do some meditation, things like that to kind of get me going, get my day energized. And then, of course, I'm going to do some little tidying up things in that window as well, like getting dressed, getting showered, brushing teeth, getting things around. So all that is kind of within that 3-hour window to start off the day. Then once it hits 9 o'clock in the morning, I look at it like a work day. I'm going to start structuring my 9 to 12 o'clock block filled with work activities. So this is where I'm going to start doing things for some of my different side hustles, different things I'm doing in my real estate business as a real estate agent, and then things for my real estate investment property. So from 9 to 12, I go into the office, sit down, try to get busy, put headphones in, and try to just focus in and get some focused work done. Then at 12 o'clock, at noon, lunchtime, I try to take about a half-hour break and go have some lunch, kind of relax a little bit, and then I get right back to it from 12:30 until 3 o'clock. So the last 2.5 hours of that time block, I get right back to it and try to continue getting more work and more task things done. At 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, I use for household things. So when I first get off my work shift at 3 o'clock from home, since I'm self-employed, I might start doing some household things like cleaning the house, maybe doing some house projects, like if I'm building something new for the house, or I need to change out the doorbell, or fix the bathroom or something. So little home improvement type projects I try to group in this time period. A lot of times it's spent just cleaning though, if I'm trying to maintain and clean the house. And then also in this time block is preparing for dinner. So usually I try to push this closer to 5 o'clock. I'll go into the kitchen, start prepping dinner and getting myself ready to eat around 6 o'clock. So that's that block from 3 to 6, just doing some household items, some chores, some cleaning, dinner prep, that sort of thing. And then from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, this is the family time block where we sit down, we eat dinner, we try to play games or watch movies or hang out, spend some time doing some socializing. So I'm pretty much winding down for the day. And then that 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock block is kind of a 1 hour block I set up right before bed, where I'm getting ready for bed, doing anything I need to do, to prepare myself for the next day. And then sometimes I'll lay down in bed and maybe do some research on my phone or watch some YouTube videos or something right before I fall asleep. So I try to get to bed then around 10 o'clock, 10:30, and that gets me going then into the next block, where I have that sleeping block from 10:30 till 6 a.m. the next day. So that's how I try to break down and structure my days so that I get a little bit of everything. I get some personal growth, some self-development time, so I can feel good about my fitness, about my health, about mental health. And then I get into the work day where I start working on different projects related to my side businesses, my real estate investments, and then my business as a real estate agent. Once I get done doing a solid day of work, I start worrying about the house, getting things cleaned up, tidied up, doing chores, that sort of thing. And then I can relax from 6 o'clock on, having family time, knowing that I did all these other productive things throughout the day. And now I feel good and I'm ready to just wind down and relax and hang out with family. So that's time blocking. That's a little bit about how I've been able to structure my life and help me feel more balanced. So I'm not feeling like I'm forgetting things every day, because I have these strict time blocks where when it's that time block is open, that's when I'm supposed to be doing those things. So it gives me clarity, it gives me organization, so I know here's what I'm supposed to be doing, and it makes it easier on me. So I'm not stressing throughout the day, worried that I'm working too much and I'm not getting to all these other things I need to get done around the house. So that way, I can focus more when it is work time, because I know I have those dedicated blocks where I'll be doing those other things throughout the day as well. So try time blocking. It could be very beneficial to you. You might find you become more productive, you become less stressed, you feel better about yourself, you're getting more things done, you're not stressing that you're not getting things done because you have a set time block, and when that time block ends, that means it's cut off, you're done, you don't have to worry about it until the next day. So you're not putting pressure on yourself. You know that you had your opportunity and now that window's closed, so don't worry anymore. Just focus on the next day, coming back during that window again, trying to get more stuff done. Alright, so time blocking, give it a try. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments. Have you tried time blocking before? How's it working for you? How do you structure your time blocks? I'd be interested to see your guys' thoughts down below. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you have notifications turned on. We're uploading videos every day. And if you enjoyed today's video, take 2 seconds to smash that like button. It'll help me out in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Take care.